Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to our math lesson today. Today we are going to learn about number order and number sequence, okay? So number can be ordered in two ways. One is ascending and another one is descending. Ascending, descending. Ascending means smaller to bigger, okay? Suppose here are some numbers 1, 5, 11, 90. Here you see all the numbers. The first number is the smallest one, then 5, then 11, then 90. So the first number is the smaller one and the last number is the biggest one. If the number grows from smaller one to a bigger one, then it is called ascending. Suppose see here is a number sequence. First number is 91, then 39, then 19, 93. Now if I ask you that arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending means what? Smaller to bigger. So what you will do? First you will find out the smallest number in the here. Which one is the smallest number here? 19. So cut 19 and write it here. Okay. Now what left? 91, 39, 93. Among these three numbers, which one is the smallest one? 39. So you will cut 39 and write it here. Then we have to find out the smallest one among these two. So 91 is the smallest. Then, so 91 cut, what left? 93 left. So we will write 93. So if I ask you that arrange the numbers in ascending order, what you have to do? Always find out the smallest one in the numbers, then cut it and write it here and then cut it. Then again find out till the last one left. Okay. So this is the way of arranging numbers in ascending order. Now let's go to descending order. In descending, what does descending means? Descending means down. So you will go from big to smaller. Ascending means small to big and descending means big to small. Descending means down. Always remember like this. Descending means down. So bigger to smaller. See here there is some numbers 1, 5, 11, 90. If I ask you that arrange these numbers in descending order, what you have to do? First, what will come? Smaller number or the biggest number? Descending. That means we have to start from the biggest one. So we have to write first 90 because here 90 is the biggest. So 90 is here, we cut 90. Among these three numbers, which one is the biggest? 11. So we will write 11. Among these two, which one is the biggest? 5. So we'll write 5 and what left? 1. So this is the arrangement of descending order. See here is the same numbers 91, 39, 19, 93 like here. But here I asked you to do what? I asked you to arrange them in descending. Here I told you to arrange in ascending. That's why you always look for the smallest one. But here I told you to arrange in descending. That means you have to look for the biggest one. So 93, 3 is the biggest here. So you have to write first 93. You cut it. Then these three, among these three, which one is the biggest one? 91. So we will write 91. Then 39 and 19. Which one is biggest among these two? 39. So we will write 39 here and then 19. Bas finish. So ascending means smaller to bigger. Descending means bigger to smaller. For arranging in ascending order, always look for the smaller one and start with the smaller one and slowly go to the biggest one. For descending order, always look for the biggest one and slowly go to the smallest one. Okay. Now see, here are some numbers. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 7, 6. So these are some number sequences. We have to find out that what pattern this sequence is following and fill up next 3 numbers following the same pattern. See 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a regular pattern where each number we are adding one more and the pattern is going on. So 1 with 1 we add 1. So next number is 2. Next number is 3, 4. So it will be like 5, 6, 7, right? Okay. Now see here, this sequence 9, 8, 7, 6. So what it is doing? It is going from biggest to lowest one, right? So it is following a descending order, right? So we have to write first what? The biggest number 9, 8, 7, 6. So what will be the next number? 5, 4. Because it's slowly going down, right? 3. Like this, okay? Now see this one. 1, 3, 5, 7. What's happening in this sequence? What pattern is following? If you can see that it started with 1, then it added 2 more. So if you add 2, what happens? 1, 2, 3. We get 3. Then again 2 more. 4, 5. So we got 5. Then again 2 more. 7. So next number will be 2 more 7. So 7, 8, 9. So next number will be 9. So 9, 2 more. 11, 2 more. 11, 12, 13. So 13. So we just have to first find out what pattern this sequence is following, and according to that pattern we have to fill up these numbers. Here see 2, 4, 6, 8. Also see 2, it's increasing 2. 2 more is adding and you are getting the next number. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So next number will be 8 plus 2. That means 10. Then what will be the next number? 10 plus 2, 12. Then the next number will be 12 plus 2, 14. Okay. Now see this sequence. 5, 10, 15, 20. What's happening here? Can you guess? See here it is a sequence where they are adding 5 more. 5 more, it becomes 10. Plus 5, 15. Plus 5, 20. So what is the next number? Plus 5, 25. What will be the next number? 25 plus 5, 30. 35. So like this. I have given you a test. So here you have to see. Here you have to follow. There are some number sequences where you have to arrange it in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Then you have to arrange same number sequence numbers in descending order, means bigger to smaller. Just see the numbers and write your answers here. Then there are some sequences you have to write. I have write down the first 3, 4 numbers. You have to follow the pattern and write the next 4 numbers. Like 1, 2, 3. It's a regular number pattern, right? So it will be 4, 5, 6, 7. But see number B. 10, 12, 14, 16. What's happening here? If you check, see 10, 2 more, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So what will be the next one? It will be 16 plus 2, 18. And you have to find out the next numbers also. Now number C, 25, 27, 29, 31. What's happening here? See, 25 plus 2, we get 27. 27 plus 2, we get 29. So it's increasing by 2. Okay. So 31 plus 2, what will be the next number? 31 plus 2. Okay, like this. Number D, 10, 9, 8, 7. So it's a number sequence starting from 10 and is going with descending order, right? So you have to write it. 20, 19, 18, 17. So it's a sequence. It's starting from 20 and it's going to descending order. So what will be the next four numbers on descending order after 17? Okay. So give the test. I hope you all will do well. Thank you, students. Bye-bye.